Okay guys, unboxing. Della Skincare. Yes. Della Skincare.
Yo,
Moto.
this is
Nivea.
This is local brand Indonesia.
Nivea, wahami video. Oh, this is Nivea. Okay, bright
This
skin.
is Indonesia local brand.
At I don't know.
Skin City.
Hay hone.
This is
Hantone.
Indonesia brand.
Indonesian brand.
Local.
Oh, it's not. So sama mingsi. Ah, okay.
这个 AHA BH PH.
Aha.
对啊
Sama siya.
exfoliasi.
Exfoliasi. Okay, next. Exfoliasi.
This is Korean brand.
Korean brand. Bukan auto Korean brand. I know this. Okay. Korean brand. Oh, taga hangkwen eh. Very expensive. Oh, taga expensive.
Centella.
Taga Korean brand.
Yes.
I know. I know this because I searched in YouTube. This is
I don't know.
Philippine. Yo, taga Philippine. Garnier.
Micellar water.
I know that. I already add that.
Thank you, Irene.
You're welcome, Della.
Yupang mo Maya.
Okay. Mayo la ma?
Mayala.
Oh, mayo la. Okay. Unboxing is done. This all. Wow.
1.300.000.
Kumakain habang nag-unboxing. Ayan, nasabi ko unboxing na para matapos na. Diba? Demanding. Bye! Thank you for watching. And lahat yung skincare ni Della. Sabi niya, try daw muna. Yes.
Irene,